I'm at Tel Aviv Promenade on the way to meet my friends, but now you're looking at the south. The south, it's it's a beautiful neighborhood of Tel Aviv. You know it as Jaffa. Now you can see that it's around 20. Oh, look at the dog! I don't know if you can see it. The dog is there. They have a dog. Oh, it's so nice. It is so nice. This is love. What can I say? It looks like love. But let's continue to the south, and you will see a little bit of it. The end of the video will be, as I believe, at the train station to Jerusalem, the old one, not the fast one. It's a beautiful place, and as you can see, we are building, and more of it. Now I want you to see something very, very unique. That's the old way next to the sea. But someone, I think in the 70s, decided to take part of the sea and to drown it, and create kind of, it's not an island, it's half an island. It's kind of a big place. That now what I want you to see is that that's the main street, the main entrance, or the main promenade. But I don't know if you can see that something is happening here. It used to be part of the sea, but someone at the 60, 70 decided to take it in, to turn it into a nice land, and they did it. It was private land. It wasn't owned by the city hall. Then the city hall bought it from them lately a few years ago, and they gave them land to build their skyscrapers, which is behind me. Those two. Now the city hall, or the people of Tel Aviv, has got their sea back to themselves, and I'm quite happy with that. We used to call it Banana Beach. On Friday, so many people. Oh, look at her! Then on Friday, a lot of the Israelis used to come to here with the drums, so many kind of drums, and they used to play it here. That's how they accepted Shabbat, Saturday. I don't know if it's still functioning, because now it's too much. How should I say it in a nice way? Too organized, if you know what I mean. I used to be here almost every Friday to enjoy it. It's 23 degrees, which I think it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And look at the blue sky. People are walking with short sleeves t-shirts. Oh, look at that, nice restaurant. Let's face it, this is heaven. Heaven. I'm in heaven. Tila, lila, 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 lila. Yeah. My daughter was right. I'm not supposed to sing. Let's go a little bit to... Now you can see the sea from there. Let's keep that kind of grass alive. And although the sun is in the eyes, you can see there a mask, Hassanbek mask. This is one of the masks that the Tel Aviv people suffer a lot because from the Arabs used to shoot the Israelis that lived there from the minaret, from the tower. But by the Israeli law, you cannot destroy holy sites. You cannot destroy mosques, you cannot destroy churches, you cannot destroy synagogues. By the way, synagogues must, and churches are not part of Israel. It's like an embassy. The Israeli must maintain it, but they cannot destroy it. I know that the sun is in your eyes, but this is the way that I'm walking today to meet my friends, and as I believe I will be late. And I'm the only one who lives next to the meeting place. Look at the blue, beautiful Mediterranean Sea. A nice break here is excellent. To eat your lunch is perfect. And in front of you can see Jaffa. I will walk a little bit faster. Jaffa is the main city, was the main city here for the last 4,000 years. If we are talking about biblical things, then the Phoenicians from Lebanon brought King Solomon the trees to the Jewish temple through there. What about Jonah? He left Israel mostly from there to Nineveh. And that was the main port. But you must understand that Jaffa is all about win-win situation. Let's start with that. Israel is a bridge between Africa, Asia, and Europe. Then in that case, if you wanted to occupy the world, you had to start from Israel. In Israel, Jaffa was one of the most important cities. Then so many people occupied it. Countries, sultans, kings, pharaohs, whatever you will choose, they were here, even more than Jerusalem. Then you can see that it's not a flat area like Tel Aviv. Look how beautiful Tel Aviv is. It's like a small hill, but it's artificial. It's a city on top of a city, on top of a city, on top of a city. Everything around Jaffa was so green, full with fresh water, full with orchards, and any kind of fruit and vegetables that you can think about. Sadly, what left from that is not a lot, but it's still beautiful. Look at the signs next to the fishermen, and this is the for every official sign in that apartheid country that some people actually think about it. It's in Hebrew, it's in Arabic, and it's in English. Hebrew and Arabic are two parts of two main languages, and I think English is mostly for the tourists. Listen to the sea, totally flat. Lovely, isn't it? Who is an Arab here? Who is a Muslim here? Who is a Christian here? Who is a Jew here? We don't know. Unless you will go walk with a cross or traditional customs, we won't know it. Is it important? Of course not. Everyone are equal in Israel, especially in Tel Aviv. Such a beautiful place. I'm going to the train station. I will do that quicker. What a lovely view is Tel Aviv. I'm so happy. I brought a sun lotion to protect my skin. It's the mid of January. This is Tel Aviv. And if you ask me when to be now, when to arrive to Tel Aviv, to choose, let me choose for you. Mostly the question is it better to be here in July or in February? February. July it's quite hot, there are so many tourists. Now it's empty, lovely, no lines. As you can see, it's sunny. Tomorrow it's going to rain, but only for one day. What a lovely place to relax. It's unbelievable. I must tell you something. I started to upload videos on TikTok, and I'm getting so many horrible comments from pro-terrorists. Unbelievable. Guys, this is not Palestine. This is Israel. You can write whatever you want. Palestine is not here. Palestine was occupied in 1948 by Jordan and Egypt, and blame them for the situation. Israel is here, and I'm so happy to show you a little bit of it. Unbelievable, beautiful, amazing country. What do you think about it? Look at that. Such an amazing place to visit. But I'm jumping straight to there because I'm a little bit in a rush to show you the old train station that was built here in 1898 or 1892 by the Ottomans. It took them 4 hours to reach Jerusalem from here. Today it's 40 minutes. We do have a beautiful, 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 beautiful system. And as you can see, I'm walking on the bicycle lane, which I'm not supposed to do that. Such a beautiful place. Tididi, tadadam, tididam. Let's cross that parking place, parking lot. And I'm jumping straight to there. I just arrived at the entrance, or one of the entrances of the old train station. If you want to buy the tickets for the ancient train that doesn't work anymore, you can do it there. It's more like entertainment area. And I'm just crossing it to the light rail station. That's where we are meeting my friends. And you can see that the children are here to study. It's a nice place to mingle. It's a nice place to drink coffee, to eat very good Italian food. But is it a huge success? I'm not sure. Cargo terminal became to be a very nice shop, which is closed now, and you can see kind of the original, which is not really the original rails. That used to be different than the rest of the world. As you can see, it's not really crowded. But that, for example, it's a beautiful German Templars building. Villand house, and they were amazing. They actually knew that they came to Jerusalem in 1870, and in 1900 they built their place here, the factories, and they knew that it's going to be excellent because they can port it to Jerusalem from here. The train station is not in the center of Jaffa. And then said, if it's not in the center of Jaffa, let us build it. Let us build our factories, for example, for tiles, right next to the train station. This is the Italian restaurant that I was talking about. And do you want to see where's my best coffee? Very simple, although they have something like 16 or 17 different kind of coffee. I'm talking about espresso and cappuccino, but I have everything. I mean, this is a beautiful picture to take. It's sunny, I'm sweating. It's called Nahat, which is like pleasure. This is Nahat. This is the coffee. I'm not sure that it's kosher because it's open on Shabbat, but a lot of the religious people can drink it because it's not including anything that it's not kosher. And that is the beginning of another beautiful, gosh, I'm sweating, park. It's called the Rail Park, and you can see the light rail waiting for us. And as I believe the 3 people that I'm looking for me will actually complain that I'm late but they're right. This is the border between the graffiti area. Behind it, it's the chicer neighborhood of Neve Tzedek, but to the right of that train station is mostly a student area with a lot of graffiti. It's called houses all over actually. It's called Florentine. I'm recommending that neighborhood, especially at nighttime. And the meeting place is here. Let's see if they hate me. They cannot even, I'm sure that they try to call me, but because I'm taking a video, I decided to cut that option. But I don't see them. What's happened? Or maybe they're sitting at the coffee place. Or maybe they just sent me a message. They left the station and they're sitting in a different place. Everything can be like that. Then this is only the beginning of the Mesila, the rail park. It's a beautiful place to visit. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to look for them. I can see her. See you. I can see Neta. Neta is a good friend of mine. I know her for more than 40 years now. I walked from my house. Neta, say hi. Are you the first one?
Yes.
All right, then I'm the second one, I'm not the last one. English, all right, yeah. No, don't kiss me, don't kiss me. I want to stay alive. This is the time of the year. Thank you very much for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.